Yeah, hi everybody, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you what I got from Amazon the other day. This is a stainless steel grease catcher. Okay, now I got to tell you, my wife, she makes tacos a lot, and she does her own tortillas in the grease and what have you, and she just keeps the grease in a frying pan in the oven just as storage. This is going to work out great. This is stainless steel, really nice filter, string, mesh, whatever you want to call it. Look at the size of this bad boy. There's my hand. This is looking pretty good. So what you do is you put the strainer on there, pour your grease in, clean out your strainer, and all your filtered grease is right in there, bacon grease, whatever. So all the big chunks and everything are gone, so you can keep your grease. And lid, dishwasher safe, stainless steel. This is looking pretty slick right here. I think the wife's going to like this one. Anyway, I thought you'd like to see it. All right, have a good day.